Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. Want to bring you another original design. This one is a special one for me. I'm naming this after a friend of mine who just passed away. So this is like commemorating her honor. This is the Shai's wings knot because her name was Shai. So let's go ahead and get started. You'll need 2 ties for this. I'm using 2 really colorful ties to respect her because she's a very vibrant person. Let's come over and let's just put in a mocha pinch from Boris Mocha. I'm just going to come over here and come up and over like this, and we're going to come, both of these ties are going to come around, and then we're going to come back up and over. So now what we're going to do is we have a tie on each side. We're going to fold both of them in half, but we're going to do one at a time, and I'm just going to open up this top one right here, like this, and I'm just going to bring it through like this. And then bring it back through like this. And then bring it across, fold it in half, and then bring it down like this. Okay, so that's what we have. And you're just going to want to you'll do more after the knot's over. You'll fix this, but what we're now going to do is we're going to do the same over here. We're going to come up through, fold it in half, then we're going to come back up through again. Might be tricky that second time around. Okay, so those are the wings. Then I'm going to come back across, well actually no, I'm going to come underneath this right here, and I'm going to come back down like this. So you have 2 of the same on this side. Let me put my collar down. Now what this I'm going to do with this over here, we'll fix this up. Let's put this under here. I'm going to have to just fold this in half here, and I'm just going to put it back up. I need to find the other one so I don't undo it, but so we have both of those underneath there. That's what we do with that. And then just do post-production work. You got these 2 here and these 2 here. So there you have Shai's wings. So here we go. Rest in peace, my friend. Odin Asylum, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Rest in peace, Shai, and God bless you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.